All my services I have given directly to the authorized Suzuki service center. Budget-friendly car, space-wise, style-wise, comfort-wise.
Hi guys, welcome back to MotoDrift. So today we are back with another car on my series My Car, My Story. And so today we have Deepali, who is marketing specialist. She owns a Suzuki Baleno in UAE. She's from India and now she will tell us about this car, all the information about her experience and how she manages the expenses and what kind of she has the experience with the service centers and everything. She will guide us in this video. So Deepali, tell me all the information about this car, why you bought this car, what was in your mind when you thought that Suzuki Baleno is the one. So please.
Okay, so hi everyone. So for me, I wanted honestly a budget-friendly car because this is my first car in the UAE and I didn't wanted to splurge into high-end car from the very beginning. And I looked for different options. I saw Toyota, I saw Hyundai, I saw Kia, but somehow Baleno attracted me more. Space-wise, style-wise, comfort-wise, and even the range, it fit my pocket, to be honest.
Okay.
So that's why I chose to go with the Baleno.
Driving in India, you were driving first, this is your first car?
Yeah, this is my first car that I have purchased here in the UAE, but yes, I was driving back in India.
Okay.
And in India, we had Maruti Suzuki Ertiga.
Oh, okay. So my second question would be, if not this car, which car would you been owned right now? Because when you are buying this Suzuki Baleno, so which another car you were looking same at this range or something kind of you were looking, right?
Yes, I was looking for another car, but everything else that I was looking was higher than this range.
Okay.
Okay. But I can say if not this, I would have chosen to go ahead with Toyota Yaris.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it was fitting in the same kind of range, but you choose more.
Yes.
Okay.
It wasn't fitting into that much range. I had to pay maybe additional 20,000 for Yaris.
Okay.
But yeah, if not this, then I would have went ahead to spend more.
Okay. On Toyota Yaris.
Yeah.
Okay. So my third question would be, how much you spend on petrol on this car for a month? You can tell roughly.
Roughly a month I would spend depending on my travel.
Okay.
Because as my profession is marketing, so I keep on traveling to other Emirates a lot. So in a month, if you calculate, I would be spending around 1,000 to 1,200.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
So it definitely maybe a pocket friendly.
Yeah, definitely. All these things were in my mind when I chose to go ahead with Baleno.
My fourth question would be, what mileage you get while driving? You can tell roughly.
I would say around 15 to...
So my next question would be, would you recommend this car to your family or friends?
Yes, definitely. I mean, if you're a beginner in Dubai and if you don't want to spend too much on the car right away, then Baleno is your go-to car for sure.
Next question would be, what is your service center experience in Dubai, for the Suzuki?
It has been great, to be honest.
Okay.
All my services I have given directly to the authorized Suzuki service center, and they have really done a great job so far.
Okay. Next question would be, what's your dream car?
I have quite a few, but I would pick Jaguar.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I have always been inclined towards Jaguar.
Okay. So it's definitely a different version of the
Yes, certainly.
Yeah. So my next question would be, after some time or after your next car, would you be shifting to EV?
I actually haven't thought much about it.
Yeah.
But yeah, maybe down the line, maybe
Okay.
I can get a Tesla. Who knows?
Yeah, have you test drive of any EV car?
No, I haven't.
Okay. It's not. This is apart from the all my questions. Like, what is your experience driving in UAE? Like, how it's been how many years to you have been here for around you are driving around like for 2 years maybe.
Yeah,
So how
2 years.
what's your experience?
It has been great. Like the rules and the road and the lane system and everything is just like flawless. So you will not have that fear of driving. Even if you're a new driver, you will enjoy driving. You just have to maintain your lane, follow the rules, and that's it. You're good to go.
Okay. Thank you, Deepali. Thank you for all your information about this car, and thank you for being on our show.
Thank you.
And
Thank you, Tanmay, for having me
Yeah.
here. Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MotoDrift. Thank you.